guys, and welcome back to Everyday Living with Simply Mercy B. Today we're going to be doing an update on our vanilla extract. We started the process about a week ago, and I'm just going to do a small little recap so we can see exactly how far our vanilla extract has gotten in the fermentation process. And I'm going to go ahead and show you the alcohols that I use to do this process. I use 3 different alcohols, and I'm going to see exactly what we achieve from those 3 alcohols. All right, let's do a quick little recap. For the vodka, according to the research, it says the more it is filtered or distilled, the smoother it tastes. So what does that mean for our vanilla extract? Glad you asked. According to this research, we're going to get stronger tones of vanilla if we go ahead and let those vanilla beans ferment with vodka. All right, moving on to our rum. Rum is the main alcohol that is used in vanilla extract today. So rum is a very sweet taste, and we're going to get the maximum vanilla taste. Therefore, rum vanilla extract is used for all your desserts, all your cakes, your pies, your treats, ice cream, rum vanilla extract. And this is why I decided to go ahead and make vanilla extract, because I am always baking and I bake pound cakes all the time. So we're going to see what the rum extract, what flavor it brings to my pound cakes, as well as the vodka extract. Now, the vodka extract, I'm sorry I didn't get a chance to let you know. You mainly want to use the vodka vanilla extract in your cocktails. That all your liquid cocktails, you want to use your vodka vanilla extract. I learned that just from my little research. I didn't know there was a difference. Okay? And I also decided to use a whiskey. And this is the whiskey that I decided to use right here. And with whiskey, you get an enhanced vanilla flavor with smoky notes. So I'm sure we could use this in a plethora of things. And we're going to check those all out because we're going to be baking with this, with our vanilla extract. But let me see, did my notes tell me what the bourbon was used for? They say bourbon is not as sweet as rum. So rum is where you're going to get your sweetest bean. But it is sweeter than the vodka and helps to bring out the sweetness of the vanilla bean without it overpowering the aroma of the vanilla. I like that. All right. Okay, another thing I want to bring to your attention before we go ahead and check out our vanilla extract. All your liquors should be at least 70 proof or 35% alcohol. The maximum strength you want to use is 100. Anything over 100 proof has to be diluted with distilled water. I haven't gone that far. I'm sticking within limits. Okay? Because this one is 90 proof. Yes. And this is 45% alcohol. So they say it has to be at least 35%. All right. So without further ado, let's go ahead and check out our vanilla extract. This is our little box that we are keeping our vanilla extract in. And we're going to take it off. And this is week 1. Oh my goodness, guys, I have not looked at this. We're going to start with the vodka first. Look at that. Take a look. and I'm supposed to shake them once a week. So we're going to go ahead and give them a shake. Oh, this is so much fun. This is amazing. Look at that. This is 1 week. This is the 1 week mark for our vodka vanilla extract. It's beautiful, beautiful. I love it. Next, we're going to go in with our rum. And remember, we use clear rum and clear vodka. We're going to give it a toss as well. All right, it's looking good. It's looking good, guys. I am so excited. And this is our bourbon. This is our bourbon whiskey. We're going to toss it. Wow, look at that. All right, so we're going to set both of them up. We're going to set all three here and let you take a look. So take a look. This is our 1 week check-in on our vanilla extract. It's looking good. Looking good, looking good. So guys, that is it for this week for our vanilla extract. We're going to go ahead and get our vanilla extract back into our little box. Remember, we have to keep it in a dark place. And I just have them right here in this box. And I just take a napkin and I lay it across it. And I make sure that they remain in a dark place. And I just put it in the closet. Okay, guys, that is it. I hope you have enjoyed this update. And I will see you next week for week 2 for our check-in with our vanilla extract. And with that being said, I'm going to see you right back here on Everyday Living with Simply Mercy D. Thank you.